Hello and welcome back to our vegan kitchen.
Woo!
We just saw a very dark movie and now I need something to make me happy again. So I can't remember who it was in the comments. It's a very nice girl from the UK. If you know who you are, leave it in the comments. I'm so sorry I forgot your name, but I'll probably put it right here. Alright, so she needed a nice cream tutorial because sometimes her nice cream doesn't always turn out nice. So your wish has been granted.
We got the hookup.
Nice cream today. We're going to make vanilla and chocolate. I'm going to give you a few tips to make sure your nice cream is all that. So, of course, if you know anything about vegan nice cream, it starts out with bananas. So this is like a whole bunch of bananas. This is like probably about 3 pounds of bananas peeled. So I'm going to put half of, first of all, I peel them and put them in the freezer. You can put them in a container or a plastic bag if you're into that. And my freezer is kind of crappy right now. I really need a new refrigerator. These aren't like even frozen all the way. So if you've got a really good freezer and they come out hard like a rock, don't put them in the blender like that. You're going to shorten the life of your blender. Let them thaw out a little bit so that they're still frozen, but you could kind of like squish through them. You don't really need them frozen like a rock to have successful nice cream. And yes, you're going to need a heavy duty blender or a food processor, otherwise you're going to kill that too. So we're going to put like half in the blender because we're going to do vanilla and chocolate.
How many bananas would you say that is?
Well, half the bunch, so like 4, right? 4, 4.5. Of course, if we're making vanilla, we need vanilla. Bloop. And some almond milk, just to lighten it up a little bit. Just a splash or 2. I'm not going to give like solid measurements here because you could pretty much, it's going to be trial and error for yourself, which is fine because that's what it's all about. My secret ingredient is peanut butter. This is very high in fat, so this is what gives it that ice cream feel in your mouth and what keeps it from refreezing solid like a block of ice when you put it in the freezer if you have leftovers, which you probably won't. But if you do, I found that these ice cream containers by Tavolo, I got these at TJ Maxx, and they're heavy duty plastic, BPA free. They've got a lid. They look like an old-fashioned ice cream container, and they hold about a quart. So these are fantastic for putting your leftover ice cream in and putting in the freezer. I got them on clearance. I think they were like $3 or $4, and I got like 4 of them. My husband, takes these with leftovers sometimes to work. They're good for that too. So I'm going to put in, well, I could use this, right? I got some super chunky peanut butter here. This is definitely up to you. You can put in as much or as little as you like. I like a lot. I like it a lot. So we're gonna take this over to the blender. I'm lucky, my blender has something that says ice cream, push me. So I'm gonna go with the ice cream setting. It's probably not gonna take the whole ice cream setting, but you're gonna wanna blend this until it starts to look like ice cream. And if it's like really crapping out and your bananas are still too frozen, you can stop it, push the bananas down, move them around a little bit, break them up a little bit more. Don't expect that this is going to be like a magical thing where you press the ice cream button and you're going to end up with ice cream. You might have to finesse it a little bit. You have to be dripping in finesse. Pretty magical for me. I didn't have to do a damn thing. I stopped it after about 30 seconds. So you can see this is quite nice. This is like ready to eat. So I guess Sean and I are going to have ice cream for lunch, or nice cream for lunch. So we're going to do vanilla on the bottom, and now we're going to make some chocolate. Alright, so I put the rest of the bananas in, along with all of the stuff that I used to make the vanilla, the almond milk, the peanut butter, and a little bit of almond extract. So now I'm going to take some cacao powder. This is 100% raw cacao powder. It's really, really good for you. It's full of antioxidants and everything. So this, I will tell you measurements. I'm going to put about 2 tablespoons in there because I like it really chocolatey. I like the chocolate. So I'm going to take this back over to the blender and do it just like I did the vanilla. And if it works like a magic charm, I won't have to do a damn thing with this one either. Press ice cream and we're ready to roll. I didn't have to do a damn thing. But I just realized that I pushed the wrong button last time. But it doesn't matter because it pretty much does the same thing anyway. So we're going to put a little chocolate on top of that.
Whoa.
Right? Oh my gosh. You don't even need chocolate syrup on top of this.
No, you don't.
Whoa.
Ooh, it smells so peanut buttery.
Oh, it's so good. Let's try this.
Whoa.
Right? Just for fun. Just for fun. And we're going to taste it now. This is the best part. First, I'm going to deliver Sean's. Here you go, sir.
What'd he say?
Hey.
Nice cream.
Maddie just had a giant bagel, otherwise she would be taking
Yeah.
it, so I don't mind at all. Oh my god, look at how amazing that looks. Mmm. You know why that's so good? Because I use Super Chunk and there's still little pieces of nuts.
You got a little
in there.
extra something in there.
Oh my god. I'm gonna eat this for lunch now, totally guilt-free, because it's bananas and peanut butter, for crying out loud. Alright, so I hope you give it a try. I hope this helped if you're having trouble making ice cream. And until next, well, subscribe for more. Give it a thumbs up. Hit the subscription bell, and then your email will say, hey, this crazy lady, she uploaded another vegan video. Go watch it. So thanks, guys. I really appreciate you. And until next time, much love.